Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acid salt. Acid salt. Acid salt. Acid salt is a chemical compound formed when an acid reacts with a base, resulting in a product with both acidic and basic properties. These compounds are often used in various chemical processes, including food preservation, pharmaceuticals, and industrial applications. Here are some examples. Example number 1. During a neutralization reaction, an acid and a base combine to create an acid salt. Why acid salt is used in example number 1. Acid salt is used in the context of chemical reactions. Example number 2. In some industrial processes, acid salts are added to control pH levels and enhance efficiency. Why acid salt is used in example number 2. Acid salt is used in the context of industrial chemistry. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.